We physicists have waited 100 years for the reason that 1916 for this photo. It is a location wherein black holes may simply be one of the maximum captivating and mysterious phenomena within inside the universe. They are big beasts in phrases of power, however on the equal time, honestly invisible to us. A black hollow weighing possibly 2 to 4 million instances the mass of the Sun is probably one in every of those. Because of the studies invested over the past couple of decades, we've long gone from understanding clearly not anything approximately them to getting to know an increasing number of up near and personal. And at the same time as matters have simply gotten crazier, Michio Kaku has introduced that we sooner or later were given to have a take to observe what's internal a black hollow. This new record sheds mild on information the arena of technological know-how may have overlooked all along. Join us as we dig deeper into black holes and unveil what's internal. Space is vast. However, what are black holes? Before we delve into the information of what Kaku observed, we want to speak about the basics. Although maximum folks have a few concept of what black holes are, there are nonetheless gaps in our understanding. In 1916, Albert Einstein posted his principle of fashionable relativity, which expected the life of black holes. At that time, the idea became in simple terms theoretical. It took every other 50 years for the medical network to locate proof in their life, which passed off with inside the 1960s. Researchers reading the Cygnus constellation observed an oddly vivid blue big name emitting X-rays. This big name wasn't stagnant. It became orbiting a large black object. Upon an addition investigation, it became observed that the X-rays have been being sucked into this object, hence the term black hollow became coined. This discovery became enormous as it proved that black holes have been now no longer only a figment of Einstein's creativeness, however, an actual entity in area that we urgently had to examine greater approximately. Researchers round the arena commenced to look at this black hollow, named Cygnus X1, placed withinside the Cygnus constellation approximately 6,000 miles from Earth. It became approximately 14 instances brighter than the Sun and noticeably dense, with this sort of sturdy gravitational pull that now no longer even mild should break out it. This is why it's far known as a black hollow. The idea of a black hollow is each captivating and terrifying. It is a location of area wherein gravity is so sturdy that not anything, now no longer even mild, can break out. Anything that receives too near a black hollow may be pulled into it, by no means to be visible again. This threat makes it even greater essential to examine the entirety there may be to recognize approximately them. After coming across Cygnus X1, scientists commenced attempting to find different black holes and observed there can be near over 100 million black holes withinside the Milky Way alone. Because they're so noticeably difficult to detect, we nonetheless don't have a precise number. Nevertheless, it seems there are numerous million black holes in our very galaxy, making them even greater essential to look at. The primary difficulty with black holes is constantly gravity. Their gravitational pull is so excessive that whatever getting into it compresses down astronomically till it turns into a singularity. In easier phrases, black holes are like cosmic vacuum cleaners that suck the entirety in. One of the scariest elements of black hollow studies is if a person had been to fall into one, they could be stretched right into an unmarried line. This method could appear slowly, and the character could die earlier than the very last shape units in. So, let's simply say no person must step into one. However, for the reason that they're all over, should we without a doubt be in threat? Despite the nearest black hollow being 500 light-years away, it's far nonetheless near sufficient to elevate questions and concerns. In 2021, scientists have been capable of launch the primary clean photo of a black hollow, in particular the M87 black hollow. This black hollow became photographed numerous nights in a row, and with every photo, the researchers accumulated greater proof. They needed to show the character snapshots collectively to create a complete image, revealing that there are 3 layers to a black hollow. It's now no longer simply one unmarried gaping hollow of nothingness, as many humans believe. The method includes making it through the primary layers earlier than achieving the nothingness part. The first layer is known as the event horizon. Once you byskip this factor, there may be no turning again. You may be sucked into the black hollow. The second layer is the photon sphere, wherein mild orbits the black hollow. Any mild getting into this location may be trapped and not able to break out the black hollow's gravitational pull. Finally, we come to the 33.1/3" 0.33 layer, the singularity. This is wherein the entirety that enters the black hollow receives compressed till it turns into a singularity, a factor in area time wherein the legal guidelines of physics as we recognize them damage down, and we cannot are expecting what occurs next. The density on the singularity is infinite, and the legal guidelines of physics end to exist. In what makes all of this infinitely worse is that each unmarried black hollow studied is totally one of a kind from the last. They generally tend to comply with the equal three-layer idea, however the manner they feature may be hugely one of a kind. Normally, reading such phenomena could contain hopping again on telescopes and gazing in detail. But with black holes, this isn't feasible. Scientists can simplest look at black holes not directly through gazing the radiation they emit and the fullerene and dirt surrounding them. Sending a probe like Voyager right into a black hollow is not possible due to the fact whatever that enters the event horizon is pulled in the direction of the singularity, wherein it's far compressed to an infinitely small factor. Thus, we can't waste billions of bucks on probes that could simply be overwhelmed into nothingness. Scientists are left without a desire, however, to look at those gadgets in a dimensional manner, despite the fact that they're three-dimensional phenomena. To make subjects even greater challenging, every black hollow is unique, and the legal guidelines of physics damage down whilst exploring the internal. But that's now no longer the best idea. In 1963, New Zealand mathematician Roy Kerr used Einstein's equations to explain a spinning black hollow, displaying that it wouldn't disintegrate right into a factor, however, instead shape a hoop of hearthplace or a skinny disk. This spinning disk of matter, known as the ergosphere, is the vicinity surrounding the black hollow in which the legal guidelines of physics begin to interrupt down. Kerr's answer additionally expected the lifestyles of an Einstein-Rosen bridge, or wormhole, a theoretical passage via area time that connects separate areas of the universe or maybe parallel universes. If one had been to fall right into a black hollow, rather than being crushed, they is probably sucked down a tunnel via the hoop of hearthplace and shot out of a white hollow in a parallel universe. To apprehend how this works, take into account the idea of area time. In Einstein's idea, area and time are interconnected, forming a four-dimensional cloth known as area time. Objects with mass warp this cloth, developing a gravitational area that reasons different gadgets to transport in the direction of them. Imagine a sheet of paper representing area time. If you area factors at the paper and draw a line among them, it represents how gadgets pass via area time. If you may fold the paper in one half of to create a shortcut among the two factors, this represents a wormhole, a shortcut via area time that connects remote factors instantly. Wormholes aren't only a sci-fi idea. They're a prediction of widespread relativity. Although nobody has found one directly, wormholes are inherently risky and could disintegrate nearly immediately. The lifestyles of an Einstein-Rosen bridge could suggest black holes aren't simply cosmic vacuum cleaners, however, can also be portals to different areas of area time. Could we use a wormhole to journey via area and time? Unfortunately, the solution might be no longer yet. Even if we may want to stabilize a wormhole, it's far not likely we may want to use it to journey quicker than mild. Einstein's idea of unique relativity predicts that the velocity of mild is an absolute restrict on how speedy something can journey via area time. Despite this, the idea of wormholes and black holes as pathways to different elements of the universe or distinct instances has interested physicists for decades. The concept of shortcuts via area time permitting journey throughout tremendous distances or into the beyond can be innovative if achievable. The Kerr wormhole, named after Roy Kerr, is one of the maximum interesting standards on this area. It is a hypothetical tunnel via area time that might join remote factors, which include distinct universes or distinct instances in the equal universe. The Kerr wormhole is ring-shaped, much like the looking glass in Alice in Wonderland, in which passing via it may probably shipping a visitor to any other universe or time with distinct bodily legal guidelines. While the concept of wormholes as way of interstellar or time journey is exciting, it's also controversial. Some physicists argue that wormholes, specifically Kerr wormholes, is probably risky or not possible to traverse because of severe radiation and subatomic forces. Critics factor out that Einstein's equations, used to explain wormholes and black holes, best paintings for gravity and now no longer for the quantum forces that govern radiation and subatomic particles. To definitely apprehend those phenomena, a brand new idea is wanted that unites gravity in with quantum mechanics. In an extra latest breakthrough, Dr. Michio Kaku has subsequently taken a better study of black holes' core. By the usage of the Event Horizon Telescope in quantum physics, he showed that black holes aren't empty voids as formerly notioned, however packed with information in a pixelated state. These bits of records, or qubits, are holographically encoded at the event horizon's floor, suggesting that the floor carries all of the records approximately what fell into the black hole, developing a black hole's entropy. Kaku in comparison this to a quantum computer, a gadget that shops information in a pixelated state, main to the profound attention that black holes are basically quantum computers. With this, a brand new know-how of black holes has emerged. Instead of being detrimental vacuums in area, they're now diagnosed as powerful, record-storing structures that maintain a cosmic archive of the entirety that falls into them. This improvement may want to finally result in groundbreaking discoveries approximately the universe's formation and structure. For now, we nevertheless have a whole lot to learn, and black holes stay a number of the maximum enigmatic gadgets within the universe. However, one issue is certain. They're now no longer the cosmic loss of life traps we as soon as notion. Instead, they maintain the capacity to free up a number of the finest mysteries of the universe, possibly even revealing the secrets and techniques of time journey, wormholes, and the quantum world. This huge object, weighing as a whole lot as 2 to a few billion suns, may want to best be a black hole.